Alrighty guys, this is the cold start with the stock exhaust. Huge piece. That's a lot of weight. Look at that. It's crazy. Guys, I am done installing the Two Brothers racing exhaust. It looks really sleek. It really wasn't that hard to install. Went into the headers right there. The one kind of stupid thing that happened was when I was trying to put the bolts back in using my hand. They fell into this little compartment right here for the coolant. And right here, I had to use a magnet to like kind of fish it out. That's just a heads up. If you want one tip, the actual instruction doesn't say to take this off, but completely take this off. One, it protects this from getting scratches and, you know, dents and all that stuff. So it's just a couple bolts here, and then there's two under here, and you just take those off. You have an easy time getting the O2 sensor out and all that. So let's fire this thing up. Cold start is gonna be crazy. As you hear, that is obnoxiously loud. I don't know if you can tell in the video, but I am super happy. There was one small concern, but the tire and the muffler tip are a little close, but you know, that makes it a little bit more low profile, just like the OEM one. That shouldn't touch. It's no problem. I heard this thing shoots out a little bit of fire with a power commander, and I'll be adding that after I ride this for a bit. I want to see the difference that it makes. I wouldn't really just throw on a power commander right away. I want to know if it's worth it or not, because I know the power commander eliminates the O2 sensor, which means that it pretty much runs it rich the entire time. Now, that's fine around here. I live in Jersey, but when you go to higher elevations and the oxygen thins out, your engine might be running very, very rich. And it's better rich than lean, but I'd rather have it, you know, active. But I'm gonna start making videos now. I got a GoPro, and I'll catch you guys later. Hope you enjoyed it.